Damn, we need to wash her. Hey, look who's here.
Someone took a big shit.
What is up, guys? It's your boy Beto again with another Dad T vlog. Hopefully you guys are having a good day, guys. Today it's gonna be a short video, guys. I'm gonna be showing you how to clean my C, how I wash my C personally. So hopefully you guys like it. I got my boy Moses on the way. He's gonna help me out. Hopefully you guys like it. Make sure you guys subscribe, guys. Thank you all for my subscribers. I know it's 36, so hopefully I'm trying to get to 100, guys. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment down below what you guys want to see. You know, I'm new to stuff, so little by little we're gonna grow and gonna get better, guys. I promise you guys, and we got more things coming to the sea eventually, guys. Hopefully you guys are staying safe and enjoy. Let's go. Woo. Damn, we need to wash her. I mean, the video looks clean, but she's dirty, guys. Jeez. Hey, look who's here.
What's up, bro?
What's up, Moses?
Not much.
What you been up to?
Getting out of work, chief.
Why are you camera shy?
I'm not, bro. I'm just tired, bro.
Does it look clean or it looks dirty?
It looks alright. I mean, you can see the dirty spots.
Bro, that's what I said too. I didn't wash it, bro.
Yeah, I need to wash mine too. Mine is dirty. Oh. Hey, did I tell you what I just did right now?
What?
Fucking raced a Mustang.
Bro?
On the I-10.
Who won?
I'm poor. Damn, I'm getting blessed.
You're blessed, bro. Some holy water.
I still need to fix my tire, chief.
Or else?
Yeah, dude. Did I tell you what happened?
What?
You wanna go see it? Let's go see it. My tire fucking got fucked up now.
Damn. I like the fitment, bro. It looks clean.
Fuck no, that shit wet. Look at the tire.
Jeez, what happened?
That's a man's tire. I just can't fuck. No, I don't know, dude. I got home and it was like that.
Damn, you were drifting, huh, bro?
Yeah, that's a man's tire. That's how you know.
Oh, okay. Alright, guys, this is how I wash my car. First, well, it's $1 here, guys. So I put rinse first. The rinse. Cool. Get all the dirt out, guys. Get all the dirt first. Clean brush.
Damn.
That's a fail. That's a fail.
Yeah.
Okay, I just needed this.
We just got sick in it now, bro.
good, man.
This looks so wrong way. This
It's like
looks...
recording. Whoa! Whoa!
Fucking rated R. When fucking birds take a shit in your car, damn. Sad.
Hey, this works out because I don't have the foaming brush, so like a foam canning gun. It's even better.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Alright, cool. Alright, guys. Follow me, what says? So with this one, since it's dry, we're gonna wet it. Come over here, what says? Make sure it's all wet, nice and wet. She got that wet. Alright, more. Alright, it's all wet, so now let's go clean the car. Come on, guys. Alright, guys, so as you can see, someone took a big shit. Alright, so now that it's wet, let's clean it. Scrub it, guys. Woo-wee. Take all that dirt. You guys want to make sure you guys get everywhere. Alright guys, well, I'm gonna do a quick montage so you guys don't get bored. Alright guys, so my boy Moises, turn around the camera, Moises, okay, check you out.
What's up?
Right there, he's getting to see and the way HR. So stay tuned for that. Oh, Moises.
Hell yeah, bro.
He's excited to get his car, guys.
Fuck yeah. Left and right Z's, bro.
We have another build for the channel for the little bro. No, oh, you were telling me the what?
About what?
The seat that you've been seeing.
Oh yeah, dude, I've been seeing Z's left and right, bro, where I work, man. Shit.
That's what it is. Every time you're gonna get in a car, you see cars everywhere. The same fucking car everywhere.
Nah, dude, I was telling that dude that works with me. He's like, nah, dude. My 2000 Mustang will beat it because it's a V6, man. I'm just like,
you'll fucking smoke, dude, especially in HR.
yeah.
I mean, we're not saying that we could beat everyone, but you'll beat that Mustang for sure. He'll be eating some Applebee's.
Applebee's.
Alright, we're almost finished. So, as you guys can see, it's coming out pretty dope. So, I'll let you guys right now. This guy comes out. Now make sure you guys get your rims too, because you don't want those dirty. It's like putting on brand new pants and having some fucking dirty ass shoes. So, get in there, guys. Damn, it's hot. And you can see we're doing it at nighttime.
Hell yeah, it's like 1 in the morning.
That too. After you soap it, rinse it, and that's about it. Alright guys, let's fucking rinse the car now. Alright guys, we're all finished now with the car. Look how it came out. Almost this. Get it. Oh, get it. Jeez, it's all clean now. And we still have to put wax, right? We're still gonna go put some wax on it. Oh, look at that. Look at that shiny. Just need to put armor on the tires too. But yeah. So we're done, guys. We'll see you right now at the house. A vacuum it. And then from there, we're gonna put the fragrance, you know? I gotta put that wild cherry for the ladies, guys. Wild cherry, right, Moses? For the girls? There you go. So, wild cherry right now. Alright guys, now we're gonna do a little bit of chemical, guys. Insta wax to make it shine, and we shall be done, huh, Moses?
Hell yeah.
Moses gonna eat. What are you gonna eat, bro?
Jack in the Box.
Damn, we got some Jack in the Box tacos. Those came clutch tonight, huh?
Oh, yeah, let's get it.
Alright, guys, so let's do this, and I'll show you guys the finished product. Damn, we're finally done. Look at this. All shiny. Jeez, you couldn't see it, bro. I'll see you guys in the morning. We waxed it, the fuck out of it, huh, Moses?
Yup.
Show him what time it is. Let me see your phone. Show him what time it is. That we fucking finished.
4:28.
4:28, guys. AM. See? But we finally did it. Shout out to Moses, my boy. For his Instagram, so you guys can follow him, because he's gonna get his 350C, as I told you guys soon. And the 1008 HR too. So stay tuned for that. Damn, guys, look at this. Son. Jeez. Alright, guys, that was it. A little short video of watching me in my car. I mean, we'll be uploading soon next week, guys. Stay tuned for next week's video. It's gonna be pretty cool. Anyways, guys, big shout out to my boy Moses for helping me clean, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Stay tuned, guys. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, and comment down below what you guys want to see. But let's get to those 100 subscribers, guys. Thank you, guys. Stay tuned. Later. Woo, here Moses.
What's up?